Hi, today for the Honor 70 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So first, I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So now I'll just change the option to unlock the device directly, not to stay on the lock screen. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock works here fast and correct. We just unlock the device less in 1 second. This is the really good result for the face unlock. I just want to try suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the pin code or passcode unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.